Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Neteller account step by step so you can unlock all its features like sending, receiving, and withdrawing money without limits. First, log in to your Neteller account and go to the Settings menu on the left side. From there, click on Verification. You'll see a checklist showing what needs to be done. Start by confirming your identity. Neteller will ask you to upload a valid photo ID, like your passport, national ID card, or driver's license. Make sure the document is clear, not cropped, and shows all four corners. Next, you'll need to take a live selfie. Follow the on-screen instructions, keep your face well lit, and make sure it matches the photo on your ID. After that, Neteller may ask for proof of address, such as a bank statement or utility bill issued within the last 3 months. Once you upload everything, the verification review usually takes a few hours to a couple of days. When approved, you'll see a green check mark next to your name, meaning your Neteller account is now fully verified and ready to use securely. Subscribe the channel for more videos.